Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video is how to test a resistor. So paano mag-test ng resistor gamit ang digital multimeter. So as you can see, we have heard a certain resistor. So first band is red, second band red, and then third band is orange. So then the multiplier of orange is 1000. As you can see, the resistor color table. Combine the first and second color band multiplied by the 1000, which is the third band, equals 22,000 ohms, equivalent to 22 kilo ohms. Now let's start the test. So let's calibrate the digital multimeter at the resistance mode. So as you can see, the ohms symbol and then also in the screen. So makikita po natin yan. So let's start the test. So ito yung proper na paghawak ng tester. So as you can see, the value is 21.74 kilo ohms. So this is a good resistor. And let's do it again. So even we will touch the other side terminal. So kahit hawakan natin yung isa, basta ang isa nakahang up, and then test again. So 21.74 kilo ohms. This is a good resistor. So okay po ito, good po itong resistor na ito. Okay.